So y'all, this is how my hair turned out. It's super cute. I love it. Follow me on Instagram at DejaJanaeXO and you'll find some pictures. But I really like it. I just cut it into a little blunt cut. Let me know what y'all think of this hair color down below. Y'all comment some hair colors also, because I want to try something different. I want to try like green, I want to try gray, purple. Y'all just drop some colors. Which color should I try next? So if you haven't entered my giveaway yet, make sure you go enter my giveaway. It's like the last video on my channel, so go ahead and enter it. It's ending in the middle of March. I forgot the date specifically, but y'all make sure y'all go enter and show it some love, and I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time, peace.
I don't really want no food.
Hey yo, Draco got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch that I hate small talk. I don't fuck.